Hello, good evening. Oh,
Oh,
sorry,
hello,
good
Mr.
morning.
Twy. Good morning.
Good
Yes, so
morning.
how's everything going there?
Uh, this morning I go to the yes the park nearby my apartment.
Ah, all right. So that place is nearby your
Yeah,
apartment. Are you inside your
yeah,
apartment building?
yeah. Uh, yes, the new building is nearby my building,
Ah, all right. Well,
and
that's
now
great. Mm-hmm.
yes, yeah, and now I I sit here in the park.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's great because the location is very convenient. It's very close to your apartment too. Yeah. So what are your plans for this Saturday,
Yeah.
Mr. Twy?
Yes, the Saturday I have to work. Uh, I only resolve uh, by phone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No need go. I I don't I don't need go to my company.
Ah, so no work for today.
Yeah.
Yes. So what are your plans? Are you going to meet some of your friends? Are you going to the gym? Just staying at home, cleaning?
Yeah. Uh, I usually go to swim at the weekend
Swim.
or to exercise. Yeah,
Yeah.
or do exercise with my family. Yeah,
Yes, well, that is really great, Mr. Twy, because you go for a swim.
yeah,
You know what? I wish I know how to swim so that I can also go swimming
yeah,
whenever I have free time. Yeah, that is actually one skill that I
uh-huh,
wish I have. But I know it's not too late to enroll in a swimming lesson.
uh,
That way, I will know how to swim.
uh, uh,
Yeah. Anyway, Mr. Twy,
um,
uh-huh.
yeah. Continue. Yes.
Oh, say that again.
I think swimming swimming uh, have improved the health, improve health and
Mm.
and 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 uh, and active all all active whole body,
Yeah.
hand, leg. Yeah,
Yes, that is so right. And also, swimming is a good exercise because it actually helps you to have a healthy lungs and a healthy heart.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Have
Okay.
heart. Yeah,
Yes, and it also helps you to have a proper breathing, like inhale, exhale, like that. Yes.
yeah,
Anyway, for today, we are going to continue with this unit. I don't know I forgot what unit it is, but we are now in this word about traffic jam. All right. So
traffic
as you can
jam.
see here in the picture that there are so many cars. The students, the employees, or even just a normal person, okay, hate to be in
Yeah,
a traffic, especially if we have a very busy
yeah,
schedule. We are rushing to attend a meeting, and boom, we can actually see on the street that there are so many cars, and it causes a terrible traffic. Okay, you know what? Like a traffic jam
yeah,
is when you can see many vehicles on the road that doesn't even move, and it would take time for them to move. So it causes so much delay, and sometimes it stresses us out. Yeah, especially
yeah,
if we are rushing. So What's that? Like nowadays, Mr. Twy, do you know Siri?
Uh-huh. Do you know
Like
Siri?
Siri, are I
Siri?
hold on. Are you an iPhone user?
Uh, I use I don't use iPhone. I use Samsung or Redmi or other brand. Yeah,
Ah, so
I
you
don't
are
use iPhone.
you're a
Yeah,
smartphone user, which is an Android phone. Same thing with me. I am very loyal to
yes,
Samsung because Samsung has a very
yeah,
good battery health compared to iPhone. It just
yeah,
gets low bat easily, so you really need to bring your
yeah.
charger with you. And you know what? My phone, like this
Yeah,
one, Samsung, this is 5 years
Samsung.
old.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is already 5 years old,
five
and
years.
fortunately, up
Oh,
until now, it's working so well. Yeah.
uh-huh. You can yeah, you can say your boyfriend give for you a new phone
Oh,
iPhone.
actually, I'm not the type of girlfriend who would ask something from him. Like just
Uh-huh.
last year, he gave me a MacBook
Mm.
like that.
Uh-huh. MacBook.
Yes,
Yeah,
and this is what I'm actually using
wonderful.
for
Yeah.
my class.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yes. So
Um,
so it's very
yeah.
daring to ask him for a
In
phone or whatsoever like that.
yeah, in Vietnam, many people use iPhone. But
Yeah.
I think that I can I can buy iPhone. But I think the price iPhone is very expensive,
Yeah,
and
that's right.
and the iPhone always issue new version. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
like
think I don't need to buy iPhone. I can buy two or three phone other brand. I can use easier and have me easier.
yes, that is so right, Mr. Twy. Like the price of the iPhone is not
Yeah,
reasonable, knowing that the Apple company will release another iPhone after 3 months, four
yeah,
months, like that. Like they release so fast, so people
yeah,
cannot actually catch up with the most upgraded version
yeah,
of iPhone like that. And of course, it comes with
yes,
an expensive price where not everyone can actually afford it. But if you
yeah,
really have like extra money, then I think you can
mm,
really like buy it.
yeah,
It's just that since we know
yeah,
that we have other priorities and that is just our wants, it's not actually
yeah,
parts of our needs. That is why you know what, like my boyfriend actually told me to choose between a laptop or a phone. So I really choose the laptop. That way I can use it for work. I can also use it to teach online part as a part-time.
mhm,
Yes. That
mhm,
way it is
yeah,
generating income compared if I choose an iPhone and the iPhone is actually I think there's a price difference of choosing iPhone and just the laptop like that. Yes, and with the iPhone, I cannot use it
mm,
for work. I can only use it to text, to browse social media, so it doesn't generate income compared with the laptop. So every month I make money out of it.
mm,
So it's really worth it
mm,
like that. So yeah, it's
yeah,
just we just have to be practical in choosing something that we want and we need.
yeah. I see MacBook. MacBook is very difficult to install new app.
Oh, it's
Very
very
expensive.
easy.
Very difficult. Yeah, very easy. Uh-huh.
Yeah, you just have to go to the Apple
My friend
store.
have MacBook.
Mm.
Uh-huh. Ah, Apple store. Okay, I see.
Yeah, same thing. Like as Android user, we just have to go to the Play Store, Google Play Store. With MacBook or with
Uh,
any iPhone
uh-huh.
user, they just have to go to the Apple Store and install it. But of course, they need to make an Apple
uh,
ID.
uh, mhm.
Yeah.
Almost people in Vietnam usually new install app and garage active no
Yeah.
need license.
Ah, alright. Yeah. Yeah, like same thing in the
Yeah.
Philippines. Like most of the
Uh,
people are iPhone users.
uh-huh. Yeah. I think the MacBook or iPhone have to yeah.
I'll say that again.
Uh, my friend say my friend said the MacBook or iPhone friend uh, we have to new license to new install app. For
Yes.
example, Microsoft or other other app.
Yeah, actually, that is the same thing with Windows user. Like the laptop, like we are
Mm,
using Windows 11, like that. Like my old laptop was
mm,
actually Windows 11. So we still need to buy the
yeah.
license so that we get the
Mm-hmm,
updates from PowerPoint. We can still use the
mm,
updated Excel, Microsoft Word, or like that. So that all the, what do we call the one? Like the apps can actually be
mm. Uh,
updated and very useful
yeah,
too.
of that.
So it's just up to you if you're willing to pay for the license to get it.
Mm, yeah.
Yes. So that is why I ask you if whether you are an iPhone user, because when we travel actually, Mr. Twy, if you are using
Mm-hmm,
your Google Map, for us who are
yes.
Android users, we use Google Map. For iPhone users, they use Siri. So Siri is actually like
Mm,
a person. It's not really a person. It's just like a robot where we can tell her what to do with our phone. For example, hey Siri, I want you to play One Direction playlist. Then Siri will say, okay, here you are. Then it will automatically play without clicking our phone. So same thing with
yeah.
Google. But however, Samsung has um limited access to that one. So not everything can be done by just a voice command. Yes.
Yeah.
But if we are driving on the road, we use Google Maps. And you know what? Like Google Maps sometimes can detect if this road has a terrible
Mm,
traffic, and they will give you an estimated time on how much longer
yeah.
are you going through to reach your final
Avoid.
destination. To reach your final
Ah,
destination. Yes, they would say that, oh, you have
yeah.
53 minutes more before your destination.
Mm,
Or if there's a traffic, then it will adjust, oh, 1 hour and 10 minutes, like that. So
yeah.
my question, Mr. Twy, is,
Uh, yeah. Yes. The Google Map have for us uh, have for us know the traffic jam on the
mm,
street. Yeah. Uh, we avoid and decide uh, decide to change the new street to avoid the traffic. Yeah. Uh, you can see the red on the
yeah.
street about 50 minutes or 30 minutes
Mm,
on the Google Map. Yes,
yeah,
Google
that
Map
is so
have for
right.
us very yeah yeah
Yes, that's right. They are very helpful
yeah
because they actually give real-time
yeah
updates. And they also help like
yeah
us who are commuters or who are like drivers to avoid wasting time to avoid
yeah
wasting time that actually lets us to be stuck in traffic. That is why technology because Siri and
yeah
Google Maps are just a product of technology. So anyway, we have the second one here, high cost of living. Yes. So when we say that a
high
city,
cost
like they would say that
living.
most
Yeah,
of the big cities have a higher cost of living. It is
yeah,
because the location is so
high
convenient
cost.
and the lifestyle there is very expensive. Yeah.
Yeah, high cost of living.
Yeah, same with the
Yeah,
big cities in USA, New York, California, Las Vegas. So they have a very high
yeah,
cost of living. Those are the states that have high cost of living.
yeah.
So same thing there. I think in Vietnam, Hanoi is known to have a high cost of living, right, Mr.
Mm-hmm.
Twai?
Yes, right. Hanoi
Mm.
and Ho Chi Minh City.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Vietnam, we have two big city. This
Mm.
one, Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam, and Ho Chi Minh City is the city in the south in Vietnam.
Mm.
Yeah, and in the central Vietnam, we have Da Nang City.
Yeah.
Yeah, uh, I think uh, in Hanoi capital uh, have high cost of living. Uh, the 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 the, the house price is and food expensive because the food um, to export from the countryside to the big city. Uh, the countryside we need to plant and take care and cleaning and after that to transport in the big city. Yeah,
Yeah.
almost people living in big city have to buy everything,
That's
not
right.
plan.
Yeah, that's right.
Because yes, different yes between uh, mm, different with the 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 the, the people living countryside.
Yes, that is so right. Like whenever that you do things in the city, it costs
Yeah,
money. Yeah, there's nothing for
yeah,
free in there because everything
yeah.
is business.
Uh, yeah. For example, my countryside, uh, my mother and father uh, somehow plan or the uh, can my family has the gas about the my mother prepare chicken from uh, uh, so
Yeah.
this I yeah,
Mm,
to start for my family.
mm.
But the basically to go to the market or the supermarket to buy the chicken or buy the food to prepare for gas for the
Yeah.
yeah. And I think the salary for the for people in live in the city
Mm.
high higher with the people in the countryside.
Yes, that's so true.
Yeah,
Because the cost of living there is also high. So it's just that it actually
yeah,
meets your salary versus the cost of living in there. Um, yeah, so it's just a balance, it's just a
yeah,
balance of everything. But it's so
yeah.
convenient to be in the city compared to the countryside.
Mm. And the big city or in the countryside in the future.
Mm.
Uh,
Oh, what is that, Mr. Toy? I'm sorry, you're very choppy.
uh, what do you want? What do you want to live in this city?
Oh, me, at the stage of my life right now, I prefer living in the city because it's so convenient. I also work in the city so that I can have an
Mm,
access in everything.
yeah,
I can save my time traveling.
yeah,
But when I retire, I'd rather um stay or retire in the countryside because it's so peaceful. That's what old people need. A peace, a peaceful life away from all the noise, like that. And also,
yeah.
like when like my retirement in the future too, it's just enough to pay for my life in the countryside, not in the
Mm,
city.
mhm. Yeah,
Yeah.
I for me, uh, I want to uh, living in the big city when I was when I young.
Yeah.
Uh, if in the future I have uh, I have uh, this house in the outside
Mm.
nearby the river
Yeah.
and big gardens. I can plan I need to care everything. And yeah, it's
Yes.
a future. Yeah,
Yes. And you know what, Mr. Twy, like if you actually have some space there in the city, and when you become a retiree like that, you can stay in the countryside and rent the space that you have in the city for those young employees. That way, you
yeah,
are earning money while
yeah.
retiring.
Advantage. Yeah, uh, yeah, advantage. Yeah, a lot of money. Yeah,
Yeah, that's right. Just enough for your lifestyle in the countryside. Okay, so here,
yeah,
Miss, thank you for sharing that one, Mr. Twice.
uh,
So next,
yeah,
we have the third one, pace of life.
yeah.
Yeah, so
Pace
there's actually
pace of
a
life.
translation in here. Yeah, so when we say space of life, it's like the speed of living, like that.
Yeah,
Yes.
pace of
So we
life.
have, like, we can say that the pace of life is fast or slow. So of course in the countryside, the pace of life is very slow. Like
Mm.
everything takes time to
So
do
yeah, very
anything in there, very slow. Compared to
yeah,
the city, everything is done so fast because everyone's
yeah,
busy, they value their time and they have many things to
yeah,
do. Yeah.
yes, 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 hot, yes,
Yes.
pace
Okay.
of life. Yeah.
So what do you prefer, Mr. Twice? Slow pace of life or fast pace of life?
Uh, I think the young people should uh, should have way of life
Mm.
and the people from 68 uh, should slow pace of life uh, and use and should travel and slow pace of life and share information for young people.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so how about you right now?
For
Are you
me, I
living?
choose way of life.
Ah.
Yeah. This
Mm-hmm.
I choose uh, I Uh, actually, actually, almost people who like university,
Mm.
yeah, to earn money, to to prepare for
Yeah.
yeah in the city. Uh, you use you or just busy with outside. Yeah,
Mm.
and basically, you can earn money salary and you can uh, save money for in the future.
Yes, that's so true.
Yeah, when you old.
Yes,
Yeah,
because to prepare for our future, now is the best time to prepare for our future because we still have a lot of energy. We still have the time to build our career, to build our investment or portfolio like that. Yeah, if you want to get rich in the future, now is the best time to save money and work hard. Yeah, unless if we were born a
yeah,
billionaire, then no need to work hard every day
mm,
because we own billions of money.
yeah,
All right. So here, we have worth
yeah.
living. Yes. Now my question is very simple. Is your city right now
Yeah,
worth living?
works, living, work, living. Yeah,
When we say, oh, by the way, when we say worth living, Mr.
work.
Twy, that means that when you live in this area, it actually makes you feel happy. It's worth all the stress like that. It's really worth
Mm,
it. Like you are satisfied with it because it's meaningful to live in that area. That is worth living is.
mhm. Yes, in Vietnam, uh, we have uh, a city work living.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, this is Đà Nẵng City. Yeah, đi Đà Nẵng City như Invest, Đà Nẵng City.
Mm.
Uh, is 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 a work living for everyone. Yeah,
Mm.
Đà Nẵng City. Đà Nẵng City is cleaning and slow pace of life, and
Ah,
everyone everyone is friendly.
yeah.
Yeah, and nearby on the beach, nearby the beach,
Mm.
we have the mountain, the beach, the river, the also yeah,
Ah, all right. So yeah,
and
Danang. Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah, then and Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam is way of life,
Yeah.
and and you can you want to relax and enjoy the life, you go to a mountain very far Ho Chi Minh City or go to the beach very far Ho Chi Minh City.
Ah, all right.
Yeah. Uh, yes, in Vietnam, a lot of mountain and long beach
Mm.
in Vietnam. Yeah. Uh, mm, you can travel every everywhere. Yeah.
Ah,
In
all right.
Vietnam, we have four seasons. Yeah, four seasons.
Mm.
The wind, there's a wind, summer, autumn, and winter.
Mm. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for
Uh,
sharing that one, Mr. Twy.
yeah, yeah,
Yes. All right. Well, that is great because you know so well about your country. You can now be a tourist guide because you know the weather perfectly. When is the summer season? Like
Yeah,
that, you know
yeah,
where to bring people according to their interests, like that. And you have so many
yeah,
recommendations.
yeah, yeah. Free service. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Yeah.
I
Or
uh,
the,
I I will respect no fee. Yeah,
yes. Yeah, like don't worry, Mr. Tai, because if we have future plans to travel in Vietnam, I will surely talk to you like where to go, like that. Yeah, to ask some of your
yeah.
recommendations. Anyway, Mr. Toy, I know that you have a long day ahead. So I'm not gonna hold you for so long. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care and see you next week. Goodbye, Mr. Toy.
Yeah.
Yes, bye-bye.